Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Leverfi video update. And get ready for a 34% drop, and that's in play right now. Officially we are looking to drop for 34% move to the downside, and the reason is very simple right now. You see, Leverfi actually has confirmed to go down like this, move sideways, break to the downside, and we're looking for that price technical target of 0.016 at the moment. Now, what I can say is that if you want to invalidate this bear flag and try to, however, move to the upside, it's really important for Leverfi to break this bear flag itself and try to move to the upside, right? Now, I do see potentially you can even drop way more to the downside, but I think once you do come down to here, you might make a small relief, and you might just try to push up sideways, go back to 0.02 finally, and then make another bear flag and still continue to go to the downside. Whatever happens in the future, I don't know, but I do think this is a good buying opportunity if it does come here for a small, maybe intraday trading. Within some few days you can trade the coin, and you can get maybe 10-20% out of it. I'm just going to be looking forward to buy if it does drop all the way down here, because I'm pretty sure the RSI are going to be oversold. The Bollinger Band is going to be at the lowest point. The daily is going to be oversold, so it does make an amazing opportunity. And as a matter of fact, from the very all-time high, you're looking for a huge discount. From there to there, we're talking about nearly 74% drop to the downside from the all-time high. And that's pretty much it for this quick one. See you down here at the 0.016 in the future, and then hopefully we're going to talk about it the next time. And that's it for the video. Hello.